Life is not fair. Random people get lucky and make money. Some are in the right place at the right time. There are people who made 1,000 just by buying the right crypto. Everyone has their own way to extra cash. Most spend years trying to save up, but this video will show you some shortcuts. Step 1. What is your goal? Do you want financial freedom or just some extra cash? You might dream of millions, but in reality, just 1,000 can solve a lot of problems. It is like playing a game. At first, making money feels exciting. But if you chase millions without a plan, it can become exhausting. On the other hand, earning 1,000 is much easier. It doesn't require huge risks, a giant company, or years of stress. A small side income can cover bills, buy something nice, or start an investment. You don't have to be a millionaire to feel financially stable. Step 2. Understand money. Your financial situation is simple. Your net worth, assets minus liabilities. Assets can be anything valuable: cash, stocks, tools, even a bike. Some assets increase in value, like property or investments. A simple way to grow wealth is by using smart investments. For example, people have made money buying and selling collectibles, renting out equipment, or flipping small items online. Step 3. Making an extra 1,000. There are 4 main ways to earn: selling things you own, offering a service, investing in profitable opportunities, starting a small side business. Selling things is the easiest. Chances are you own stuff you don't need: old gadgets, clothes, furniture. Platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell. Offering a service is another quick way. Simple skills like cleaning, tutoring, or graphic design can pay well. Freelancing platforms make it easy to get clients. If you want a passive way, investing small amounts can help. People grow money through stocks, crypto, or reselling items at a profit. Even a 100 investment can turn into 1,000 over time. A side business doesn't need to be huge. Some people earn thousands just by washing cars, flipping thrift store items, or creating digital products. The key is leverage. If you sell something valuable, you need fewer customers. If you solve a problem quickly, people will pay more. If you target wealthier clients, you can charge higher prices. For example, washing driveways for 50 each means 20 jobs, 1,000. But if you sell a service for 200, you only need 5 customers. Step 4. Scaling up. Once you make 1,000, the next step is repeating the process. Reinvesting earnings into better tools, ads, or new skills can double your income. And the best part, the first 1,000 is the hardest. After that, money making becomes easier. So, don't wait. Start today, because 1,000 is closer than you think.